Welcome to the CR Clinical Landscape and Roadmap presentation. I'm Greg Brill, and I am the Director of Clinical Product at Central Reach. Today we're going to take a look at the roadmap for clinical over the next year and a little bit beyond, as well as introducing you to Thread Learning, which is the newest clinical product at Central Reach. So let's jump right in. So in terms of the landscape, you have this product group, which almost all of you will be familiar with. It's Central Reach Learn, which is the web version of clinical, as well as CR Mobile, which is a fantastic clinical product that we're iterating very quickly on, building new features. And the customer segments that those are primarily targeting are ABA businesses. However, we are increasingly targeting and already do target multi-D, especially speech therapy, and especially when they are also doing ABA. The other segment that you might not be as familiar with are what I'm calling our specialty products. So that's Thread Learning and Precision X. And they're primarily targeted at education, small and medium business, precision teaching, and international. We know that not everyone does ABA the same way. One product is probably not going to be enough to fit each person's different style and teaching method. And so we want to make sure that you have the product that you need for your clinic, for your in-home care, for your school, etc. So that's the landscape. Let's jump to the roadmap. So for Learn and CR Mobile, we're starting with the RBT mobile workflow. This is session notes, scheduling, anything that you would need to do on your phone in the app as a practitioner in the field. So those changes are coming. You've, I'm sure, gotten notifications about them. It's very exciting stuff, and it's moving quite fast. After that, we're going to be introducing CR Elements to Learn in CR Mobile. Now, CR Elements is a new, incredibly sophisticated ABA curriculum. And I say incredibly sophisticated because it has some very neat innovations in terms of jumping forward and backwards within the curriculum to see if a student can move forward and learn quicker than expected. So instead of the old way where you just go through route and the practitioner is expected to decide when you can jump forward, this curriculum gives you a little bit more prompt in terms of moving forward and backwards within the curriculum. So not only are we going to be adding it to Learn and CR Mobile, but we'll be modifying CR Mobile and Learn in order to take advantage of all the new innovations within CR Elements. I highly suggest you check out Carrie's presentation as well at CR Unite. She's the author of this curriculum. After that, we're going to be working on the multi-D workflow. This is especially with regards to speech therapy. This is going to happen in coordination with changes to practice management to also benefit multi-D organizations. But many of these changes will benefit all types of organizations as well. Finally, we'll be working on a client portal. This is one of our most requested products, and we will be starting with intake. So if you're an organization, you have a new client, we're going to get the parents onto the product as soon as possible. And then we'll be adding many more features. That's one of at least 5 features that we'll be adding to the client portal, so that once the parent is on there and has put in their information for you, you can return information to the parent, files, billing, all those different types of communication between you and your clients. Now, on the other side of the coin, the Thread and CR Precision X side of the coin, we're going to be doing some of the same things and some things a little bit different. So we're starting with a school workflow for education clients. This is going to be IEP information. It's going to be file uploads for behavior plans, IEPs, or report card type information. We're also going to be focusing on some features that will benefit everyone, including allowing our clients to use all of the different features cross-platformly. So you'll no longer need to buy any specific devices in order to use, say, Thread Learning, and this is primarily focused on Thread. You'll be able to use it on Android, iOS, web, and it'll contain basically the exact same feature set, the exact same product. Next, we'll be adding CR Elements to these products. Thread already has a version of CR Elements in it, but we still need to modify Thread to take advantage of some of the newest innovations. So it's a fantastic curriculum already, but it's doing things that no one's ever done before. So when you do that, you have to change the technology product to fit it. It'll also be added to Precision X as well. Practice management integration is next for these products. So we'll be working on that, and that will allow you to use practice management, whether you're a in-home provider, whether you're a clinic, or whether you're a school that bills. Right after that, we'll be focusing on precision teaching. We know the value of precision teaching. There's a lot of neat innovations, and right now, Precision X is the product for you if you're doing precision teaching. But we'll also be adding some of those features to Thread. And then finally, Thread and Precision X will be getting the client portal. The client portal, of course, we went over before. It'll be built for Learn and CR Mobile initially, but we're building it so that it can be used with any of our products, as with CR Elements. So that is the clinical roadmap. I'd love to now jump into Thread Learning. So here's Thread Learning. It joined the CentralReach family about 8 months ago, and it does things a little bit different. It's built to be a very simple product. So one of the main challenges in the industry that we were trying to solve is that training takes a really long time, and there's high staff turnover, no matter what type of organization you are. And so we wanted training to always take less than an hour, and we wanted to be able to onboard you and get your business up and running within a day. The idea behind that is that training is not something that you can get reimbursed for. So it costs money, but you don't get reimbursed. And given the turnover, that can be a problem. So we've made the product incredibly intuitive. We've also built it with group sessions and schools in mind. So it's really easy to do online and offline. It's really easy to do groups. Both of those things kind of help schools, but also help clinics that are doing social group sessions, or clinicians who are in the field and maybe don't have internet. So it's an intuitive and powerful platform, and we're building new features every day. You should definitely check it out. And that is the end of our presentation.